Hello students, Standard 5 Mathematics, Chapter 4 Fractions. Today we are going to learn subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of fractions, in this case, two cases are coming. First one is subtraction of like fractions and the second one is subtraction of unlike fractions. Now we are going to learn subtraction of like fractions. To subtract two like fractions, we subtract the smaller numerator from the greater numerator to obtain the numerator of the required fraction. The denominator of the required fraction is the common denominator of the given fractions. Examples: subtract 1 by 8 from 5 by 8. We know that we have to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Here 5 by 8 is greater than 1 by 8. Therefore 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8. These two are like fractions. Therefore 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8 is equal to, just to subtract the numerator, 5 minus 1 by 8, that is equal to 4 by 8. See, 4 by 8 is not in the simplest form. Therefore we have to convert that one into simplest form. 4 and 8 is divisible by 2. Dividing 4 by 2 we will get 2. 8 by 2 we will get 4. Again 2 and 4 is divisible by 2. Dividing 2 by 2 we will get 1 and 4 by 2 we will get 2. Therefore the answer is 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is in the lowest term because the HCF of 1 and 2 is 1. Second type of subtraction is subtraction of unlike fractions. If you know the addition of unlike fractions, you can do the subtraction of unlike fractions also by changing the addition sign by minus sign. To subtract two unlike fractions, we must first change both the fractions into equivalent fractions with the common denominator by finding the LCM of the denominators of the given fraction. Then we subtract the like fraction so obtain. Consider the examples. Subtract 3 by 10 minus 2 by 15. Here 3 by 10 and 2 by 15 are unlike fractions. Therefore, you have to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions with the common denominator. And the common denominator is obtained by finding the LCM of 10 and 15. 10 and 15, both the numbers are divisible by 5. Dividing 10 by 5, you will get 2. 15 by 5, you will get 3. Again 2 and 3, there is no common factor. Therefore, the LCM of 10 and 15 is equal to 5 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 30. After getting the LCM, you divide the LCM with the denominator of the first fraction. 30 divided by 10, you will get 3. Multiply both numerator and denominator of 3 by 10 by 3. Therefore 3 by 10 equal to 3 into 3 by 10 into 3, that is equal to 9 by 30. Similarly 2 by 15 is equal to multiply 2 by 2 and 15 also by 2, and this number 2 is obtained by dividing the LCM 30 by the denominator of the second fraction, that is 15. After getting the number, multiply both numerator and denominator of 2 by 15 by 2. Therefore 2 by 15 is equal to 2 into 2 by 15 into 2, that is equal to 4 by 30. Therefore subtracting 3 by 10 minus 2 by 15 is equal to 9 by 30 minus 4 by 30, that is equal to 9 minus 4. Just to subtract the numerators. 9 by 4 minus 30, that is equal to 5 by 30, and 5 by 30 is not in the lowest term. Therefore 5 you can write it as 5 into 1, 30 you can write it as 5 into 6. Cut that 5 from both the numerator and denominator. Therefore you will get the answer is equal to 1 by 6. The same question you can do it in another way, that is by using the shortcut method. Subtract 3 by 10 minus 2 by 15. The same as in the previous question, you find the LCM of the denominators 10 and 15. You will get the LCM as 30. After getting the LCM, write that LCM as the common denominator. Then divide this LCM 30 by the denominator of the first fraction, that is 30 by 10 is equal to 3 and multiply with the numerator 3 into 3 minus 30 divided by 15, that is the denominator of the second fraction, and multiply with the numerator. 30 divided by 15 is equal to 2 and multiplying 2 with the 2. Therefore, this will be equal to 9 minus 4 by 13, that is equal to 5 by 30, that is equal to 1 by 6. Next type of question. Find the difference between. Difference between two numbers means we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. The given fractions are 5 by 8 and 3 by 5. Same as in the previous question, find the LCM of the denominators 8 and 5. 8 and 5 is divisible by 1, no other number. Therefore, the LCM of 8 and 5 is 8 into 5, that is equal to 40. Then convert 5 by 8 and 3 by 8 into equivalent fraction with the denominator is equal to the LCM, that is 40. 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. Multiply both numerator and denominator of 5 by 8 by 5. 5 by 8 is equal to 5 into 5 by 8 into 5, that is equal to 25 by 40. Similarly, 3 by 5 is equal to 3 into 8 by 5 into 8, that is equal to 24 by 40. And this number 8 is obtained by dividing the LCM 40 by the denominator of the second fraction. Now we converted this unlike fraction into like fractions, and after that you compare it. We know that 25 is greater than 24, therefore the fraction 25 by 40 is greater than 24 by 40. Therefore, the corresponding fraction of 25 by 40 is 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 5. Therefore, we have to subtract 5 by 8 minus 3 by 5, that is equal to 25 by 40 minus 24 by 40 equal to 1 by 40. And this comparison of the fractions, you can use a cross multiplication method also. Cross multiplication method means multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction, and the denominator of the second fraction multiplied by the numerator of the second fraction. Therefore, we are getting 5 into 5 equal to 25 and 8 into 3 is equal to 24. And we know that 25 is greater than 24, therefore 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 5. Next type of subtraction is subtraction of a fraction from a whole number. Subtract 3 minus 2 by 5. Any whole number can be converted into a fraction by writing the denominator as 1. We know that 3 by 1 is equal to 3, 5 by 1 is equal to 5, 8 by 1 is equal to 8. Therefore, 3 you can write it as 3 by 1 minus 2 by 5. Here also the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. And after that, these two fractions 3 by 1 and 2 by 5, you have to convert it into equivalent fraction with the common denominator, that is LCM. Therefore, after finding the LCM, divide the LCM by the denominator of the first fraction, that is 1. 5 by 1 is equal to 5, and multiply with the numerator 3 into 5 minus divide 5 by 5, the denominator of the second fraction, we are getting 1, and multiply with the numerator. Therefore, 3 by 1 minus 2 by 5 is equal to 15 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Now these two are like fractions. To subtract that one, you just subtract the numerator, that is equal to 15 minus 2 by 5, that is equal to 13 by 5. 13 by 5 is an improper fraction. Whenever you are getting the answer as an improper fraction, you have to convert it into mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by the denominator. You are getting 2 as the quotient and 3 as the remainder. Therefore, the mixed fraction is 2, 3 by 5. This same question also you can do it by shortcut method, that is equal to 3 minus 2 by 5 equal to 3 by 1 minus 2 by 5, that is equal to write the LCM 5 as the common denominator. Then divide the LCM with the denominator of each fraction and multiply with the numerator. 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. Multiplying with the numerator, 3 into 5 minus 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1, and multiply with the numerator, that is 2 into 1. Therefore, while doing like this way, we are getting 13 by 5, that is equal to 3 by 5. Which method is easy for you, you can follow that way. Next type of subtraction is subtraction of mixed numbers. Whenever the mixed numbers are given in the question, the first step you have to convert that mixed numbers into improper fraction, and you know how to convert it. 5 6 by 7 minus 3 1 by 4 equal to, multiply the whole number with the denominator of the fraction and then add the numerator to that product. 5 into 7 plus 6 by 7 minus 3 into 4 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to 35 plus 6 by 7 minus 12 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to 41 by 7 minus 13 by 4. Converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here these two are unlike fractions. Therefore, to subtract that one, you have to find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 7 and 4 is 28 because they are co-prime numbers. We can divide 7 and 4 by only with 1, no other number. Then after finding the LCM, divide the LCM with the denominator of each fraction. 28 by 7 is equal to 4, multiply with the numerator 41. Then divide the LCM 28 by the denominator of the second fraction. You are getting 28 by 4 is equal to 7 and multiply with the numerator. Therefore, we are getting 164 by 28 minus 91 by 28. That is we converted that one into like fractions. That is equal to 164 minus 91 by 28. That is equal to 73 by 28. That will be equal to converting that improper fraction into mixed fraction. You are getting the answer as 217 by 28. Remember, always you have to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Next part is word problems on addition and subtraction of fractions. These questions are given in your exercise 4J, question number 10. That is the last question. The question: Pankaj bought 5 1/9 liters of petrol on Monday, 2 5/6 liters on Tuesday, and 1 2/9 liters on Wednesday. How many liters of petrol did he buy on these 3 days? Word problems means you have to read the question 2-3 times and make out whether it is addition or subtraction. Here, how many liters of petrol did he buy on these 3 days? It is understood that we have to do the addition. And after that, write the statement. Quantity of petrol bought on Monday equal to 5 1/9 liter. Quantity of petrol bought on Tuesday is equal to 2 5/6 liter. Quantity of petrol bought on Wednesday is equal to 1 2/9 liter. Therefore, the total quantity of petrol is equal to 5 1/9 liter plus 2 5/6 liter plus 1 2/9 liter. These all are unlike fractions and mixed fractions. First mixed fraction you converted into improper fraction. You are getting the unlike fraction, and after getting the unlike fractions, you just find the LCM of the denominators 9 6 9. All the numbers are divisible by 3. Dividing these numbers by 3, you are getting 3 2 3. Again, two numbers are divisible by 3. Dividing by 3, you are getting 1 1 2 1. Therefore, LCM is equal to 18. After getting the LCM, divide the LCM by the denominator of the first fraction 18 by 9, that is equal to 2, and multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Similarly, divide the LCM by the denominator of the second fraction, multiply both the numerator and denominator by that number. Similarly, in the third fraction also. While doing like this way, you will get 92 by 18 liter plus 15 by 18 liter plus 22 by 18 liter. Now we converted that one into like fractions. After converting that one into like fractions, you just add the numerator. Therefore, adding that one, we will get 165 by 18 liter. And the answer is not in the simplest form. Both numerator and denominator you can divide by 3. 165 by 3 is equal to 55 and 18 by 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, we are getting 55 by 6 liter, that is equal to 9 1 by 6 liter. Therefore, 9 1 by 6 liter of petrol he bought on these 3 days.